During the pension reform discussions, some people started calling civil servants freeloaders. This made Linda think deeply about why public servants, especially teachers like herself, were being seen in such a negative light. After all, teachers work hard and are dedicated to their students. Why would anyone think otherwise? Linda realized that it's crucial to make one's efforts visible. Only when hard work is recognized can one avoid being stigmatized or misunderstood. She thought about how, in moments of conflict, it shouldn't be necessary to prove oneself over and over. As the saying goes, what walks through leaves a trace. Linda understood that documenting her teaching journey and maintaining records of her efforts was important. When the COVID-19 pandemic began, Linda started to think about how to ensure her students had access to adequate learning resources while schools were closed. This crisis, however, presented an opportunity for change. It forced her to rethink her approach to teaching. While many teachers opted to use ebooks, Linda realized that simply providing digital textbooks wouldn't be enough for her students, especially since they were isolated at home and could no longer attend after-school tutoring. The children needed more support. So Linda made the decision to create her own instructional videos. Her teaching videos went beyond just textbook exercises. She incorporated extra materials that resembled what students might receive in a tutoring center, such as lessons on pronunciation, phonetics, and grammar. Linda's intention was not only to help calm her students' anxieties, but also to reassure their parents. She understood that these uncertain times were stressful for everyone, and her videos could provide a sense of normalcy and stability for both children and their families. Through this process, Linda realized that the challenges posed by the pandemic were a chance to innovate and expand her teaching methods. The crisis had turned into an opportunity, and the work she put into these resources became a visible trace of her commitment as an educator. By documenting her efforts and sharing her teaching materials, Linda not only helped her students continue learning, but also showed the world that teachers, too, are working tirelessly behind the scenes.